You guys, this is all Kyle's mom's fault.
Shut up, Cartman!
Kyle's mom is the one that started that damn club, and all because she's a big, fat, stupid bitch.
Don't say it, Cartman! Don't do it, Cartman! I'm warning you!
Okay.
I'm getting pretty sick of him calling my mom.
Kyle's mom's a bitch, she's a big, fat bitch, she's the biggest bitch in the whole wide world. She's a stupid bitch, and everyone's a bitch, she's a bitch to all the boys and girls.
Shut your fucking mouth, Cartman!
On Monday she's a bitch, on Tuesday she's a bitch, and Wednesday to Saturday she's a bitch. And on Sunday, just to be different, she's a super king, Kamehameha, bitch. Come on, you all know the words. Have you ever met my friend Kyle's mom? She's the biggest bitch in the whole wide world. She's a mean old bitch, and she has stupid hair. She's a bitch, 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 bitch. Bitch, 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 bitch. She's a stupid bitch. Kyle's mom's a bitch, and she's a dirty bitch. Talk to kids around the world, it might go a little bit something like this.
Mama, you have met my friend Kyle's mom? She's the biggest bitch in the whole wide world.